The first step towards cleaning up your Google Classroom dashboard at the end of your school year is to go in and return all the assignments to the students. Now, why that is important is because when the students submit their work, you get ownership of all the documents, and that may create trouble if the students want to access that document for themselves later on. So you want to return all their assignments so that they get back ownership of their documents, and if they want to rework them further and put them in their digital portfolios, they can do so. So how to go about it? Very simple. You are in your Google Classroom dashboard. All you need to do is go into review, either from the dashboard itself, or you can use the 3 lines here and look at to review. And here you can see all my classes. So I just want to focus on the class that I want to archive. So just click on the little downward pointing arrow, choose the class, and here it is. As you can see that I am yet to return this assignment. So all I need to do is go and click on this one. So as you can see that I have already graded these assignments, but I have not returned them. So all I need to do is click on the return button, return once again, so that they get back ownership of their document and they can use them to populate their digital portfolios.